Hello there buddies. Today I'm gonna show you a tutorial about the payment procedure of BuddyBee platform. Oh my god, it's June and the heat is unbearable. I hope you guys are beating it up. Let's see. So we go to login. If you haven't signed up yet, please do that. Then I am pressing login over here. When I am logged in, I go to my profile, and here the recharge section. So in the recharge section there are a few options, payment gateway and B card. So in this payment gateway, if you do the process to payment, it will take you to this page, payment page, which is pay with bKash or pay with Amar Pay. These are the two options. And for the consultancy, these are the sessions. This is one session, this is two sessions, and this is 6 sessions for you. And these are the price and BDT. And also here, if you again go to recharge section, there is another thing that you can do about it. You go to B card. If you have a B card, claim for it, or you can purchase the B card as well. So here the B card, these are the B cards, you can buy it from here too. So these are the two payment options that I am showing you right now. Hope you understand. Stay tuned for more.